Hello everybody, this is Coach D, here to give you the market stock report. Wanted to take a quick minute to look at the technicals, here looking at the S&P index. First thing I notice is that we have a bit of, we'll call it overhead resistance in here. Let's just kind of take a quick look at that. Just kind of ballparking a trend zone in here. And really probably the first thing I notice is the slowdown in here and just the size of the candles. You'll notice you have really large candles early in the run, and then as you get towards the top of the range, you'll notice those candles shrink out. Got a couple little reversal candles in there. So really what I see here is run, small run. If you were to change time frames, we'd be looking for a little bit of an M for murder potentially. And as far as, just general market outlook, we do have some economic news coming out this week. First Friday of every month is the non-farm payroll report and the employment report. We've got some ISM manufacturing numbers. We've got some Fed chairs, Federal Reserve members, and then Chair Yellen testifying this week. Got some ECB stuff coming out, so take a look at the economic report. And I expect the market to become a little bit more lively as we get through the week. Coming off of the holiday hangover, we'll see some action pick up here. And just overall perspective, might see a little bit of rest here. Market could pick a direction. We've got a good condition for short-term bearish retracements. Any stocks that are down would take advantage of the run up that the market's put in, and we'd be looking for those to take off to the downside. And then as far as upside movement goes, short term kind of neutral to bearish, intermediate term cautiously bullish, and again always trading what you see, not what you believe. Let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ, we could probably say, is a little bit more of a maybe even cup and handle, like where you got that resistance being pressured, and it is pausing a little bit here as it hits those all-time highs. Kind of an ugly cup and handle, but generally that's the pressure we're seeing on that. Let's take a quick look at the Dow, and here kind of an equal top. Just overall seeing top, not so much down like the S&P, but a little bit more equal, and a lot of overhead resistance through here. So a lot of overhead congestion, consolidation. And then last but not least, let's take a look at the Russell 2000. And Russell 2000 is what I would say range up into that 200 period moving average, known support resistance zone. Just kind of overall just showing some signals of reversal, known support resistance, 200 period moving average. Look for some consolidation. And then last but not least, let's take a quick look at the volatility index. And the VIX trading at 1621. Not off the lows, so you got a little meat on the bone as far as premiums go. On the options, market's a little bit more tentative than in the past, so keep an eye on that. And otherwise, we'll pick up with more technicals on some of the individual stock picks here in a minute.